Hi everyone, if you know, I'm doing a lot of research how to make easy to do leveling in apartments, houses, over the wood, over the concrete subfloor. So first of project what I did is tripods. It's really helpful tools. So next step was 4D laser level, which has helped to set up these tripods and uh, with bottom laser line. And another project I made, it was calculator, a self-leveling calculator. So but I still have many questions how to easy check how many bags do we need. So when I made calculator, I thought it's already done and easy to check. No, because sometimes you very hard to measure when you stay on your knees and to measure how the project place, and find what the thickness you have to summarize in calculator. So this is a tool which is help you to check it. In this video I want to show you how to measure with these tools how many bags do we need. So here is a very good example. We have hallway. It's already with vinyl, but this building is from 1973 and whole floor is crooked. So very easy to show whole imperfection and find how many bags do we need to do leveling for here. First of all, we have to find the highest spot. For finding the highest spot, I am using 4D laser level. This is a very good laser level. Bottom line, laser line only 6 millimeter from the ground. So we can put to any place here and just have a look where is the green shadow from the laser line. So you see shadow. Just I'll try again. Oh, right here it's visible. Then this is the highest spot. Then we just move a little bit forward and check again. So here and there, it's still, you see, green. It's highest spot. Then we move forward again. You see, it's still higher. We can move again. See, still higher. And we move again. Still higher. And again, you see, it's higher. So you see, so this is the highest spot, and you can come to this point, to other side, and you can see how it's this side is lower. So approximately 2 inches this side down. Here is, I'm not doing any leveling, I'm just showing you how it can be sloping down and what kind of imperfection we can get it. So when we found the highest spot, for example, we have to level whole floor with the highest spot. I set up new tools on this high spot and put laser level on tripod. We have line. Now it's just you don't have to put something special line, just put line, and raise up tape measure I just choose number 4 inches, and match this laser line with number 4, and then lock the tape. Then I put handle. This is a very tricky thing, you know. You don't have to stay on the knees. You just can walk around and check the points and what's the difference between the highest spot and whole this area. So all these numbers, for example, 3/4 inch, half inch, inch and a quarter, we can put and summarize in the calculator. And now I will show you so how we can summarize all these numbers and how many bags do we need for this place. You see, if it's this line, green line, higher than number 4, it means this is lower spot. Next step, when we start measuring, we need self-leveling compound calculator. How to find? It's very easy. You go into the Google and print self-leveling compound calculator, scroll down, there is a video how many bags self-leveling compound do you need. So this is a video with calculator, and this calculator exactly in description. Just press this link, you can see the calculator. See? So now I will explain you how it's work and how to use.
For example, we are using MAPEI product. Any bags of self-leveling compound MAPEI work the same coverage. So also we have Sika, Ardex, Level, Quick, Sacred. So I'm using MAPEI. So we set up MAPEI here, and square footage in that area what we just checked it was 120 square feet. So we check 8 points. So first point after highest spot it was
half inch, then press enter, another point half inch, press enter.
Then another point was 3/4 inch, it's slightly going down, enter. Another 3/4 inch, enter. So you see here is already 4 points. So next 2 points was inch and a quarter, but we have only inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, we don't have inch and a quarter. How to make it together inch and inch? Just when you press inch without enter, you have to press inch and a quarter. You see now inch and a quarter, and then enter. Another point inch and a quarter, enter. So already 6 points, and another 2 points was inch and a half. So we press inch and a half, enter, inch and a half, enter. Okay, let's say close to the window was a little bit higher, and there was inch and a quarter. So we can add another 2 points, inch and a quarter, enter, and inch and a quarter, enter. So now don't forget, press enter. So when we check all this area, and there is we check 10 points, we get this number, and here is the number of points. When we press calculate, it showed for leveling with that high points whole this area we need 21 bags. For sure it can be some it's not exactly 100%, but it will be approximately from 21 22 bags, like 1 plus 1 minus bag, but approximately you know how many bags do you need. Why I need it? Because when you check the you want to do leveling, you have a look, put laser and have a look. Okay, this is sloping down to 1.5, 1 3/4 inch down. So no, I would say I would buy 10 bags. Maybe for this area it will be enough. When you put 10 bags, it's not enough. You're going to one more time to the store and can think, okay, I'll need 5 bags. You buy another 5 bags. You put 5 bags, it's still not enough. You go in third time. So if you calculate how many times you drive into the store and how many time you spend for this driving, and sometimes if you know exactly how many bags do you need, you can do leveling in one day. But if you don't know exactly how many bags do you need, you can and you drive in 3 times. So one day you put 10 bags and you have to wait 12 hours when it's getting dry. Then you apply primer and you apply another 5 bags. It's another day, another 12 hours. And after that, it's not enough. You buy another, for example, 10 bags, and you put it in, or 5 bags. And so it's like takes 3 days.
All these examples, it's real because it's from my practice. I did it so many times. When I have to finish a project for example, for 4 days, I did it for 7, 8 days. And I hope it will help you very much. So also I want to show you, you can use this calculator on your cell phone. So if you set up laser level, if you set up this measuring tools, you just can measure, and right away you can put on your cell phone this measurements. I hope these tools will be very interesting for you and you start using. I need your feedback because I don't know you using or not using, and maybe need some changes. I will think about it. So I hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.